mega big guy. To Moses playtime.
Yay!
You can open it.
What do we have there?
Space Serious Adventure.
Space Adventure Series. And what does it say? It's radio controlled, right?
Radio controlled space shuttle with light and sound.
Space shuttle with light and sound. Okay, open it up. Careful.
Oh.
An airplane. So it's remote controlled. We gotta put the batteries in. This is where the battery goes in.
Okay.
So that says right, left, forward, and reverse. Okay. So let's put the battery. Yeah, you have to put the batteries in. Okay. Does this take battery? Yes, it does. It sure does. So there's the on and off button, and the screwdriver goes. Unscrew it, and then that goes. That's for that part. For 3+ age. Space shuttle installation. Make sure it's on and off. The on and off when the shuttle is on the off position. Match positive. Match positive and negative. You know, just install the batteries. Let's see. Is it AA? How many AA batteries? Is it triple A or is it double A? We're gonna find out soon. Also uses 2 AA batteries and all that. So let's install it. So this uses 4 AA batteries, and then the remote uses 2 more batteries, so 6 batteries altogether. And that's why it says shuttle is 4 and this is remote. Yes, you put that one. Technically, make sure it's on the off position, on the off, side. It's off already. Now you turn it on. Turn it off again. Turn it off. Then.
No way.
And then put the last one.
No. Oh.
Put the spring first.
The spring? Where's the equal?
It's not equal. Put it in and press it down. Yay! Now I have to put the remote on the battery, okay? So let's put the screw. I need to put the screw. Turn it off. You want to screw it? Screw it. Good job. Like that. Get the other one. Good job. And then we're gonna turn on the airplane. I think you press one button at once.
What's that?
That goes up.
That goes down.
And then push it up. When you push it there, then that goes up. Alright? Or leave it home. Then it goes down. See? It's reversing. That's what this is, right and left.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.